Rishabh.
Hi.
Hi, Rishabh. So I'll start with Rishabh.
Yes, please.
Okay.
So what is this about K-pop film that that fascinates you so much? Yeah, Cash, अभी ये what is this?
नहीं, बस इसी में तो मजा है। मतलब लोगों को हंसाने में, लोगों को एंटरटेन करने में। थोड़ा
Hmm.
आप क्राइम दे दो, थोड़ा सा आप कॉमेडी दे दो, और एक अच्छा मिक्स बैग ऑडियंस को प्रेजेंट करो, एंड यूजुअली दे लैप इट अप। तो यही है। इट्स सच अ फन जॉनर, व्हाई वुड आई से नो टू इट?
And Pratik, what made you choose to take this role up? To say yes to a role like this. मैं कल रात को I watched the film last night only. So हाँ प्रतीक.
And what's your reaction to the film first?
अरे मतलब I was this very unlike Pratik, and then जो last में जो Pratik आता है और he does all that I really enjoyable. I enjoyed the entire film, and
Oh, thank you.
very unlike you and Yami, and you have not seen in these kind of role barring a couple of them. So that's what I want to know. Ki what made you choose the role?
No, exactly the same reason as you said, that most of the people have not seen me doing something like this.
Ah,
And I had also not done anything like this on screen.
ah,
Uh, so the biggest reason was absolutely the same,
hmm,
to surprise the audience with something new. And I can also equally get to challenge myself with
hmm,
something that I had not done before. The
hmm,
other thing is that this character, though it's a fun character, it's a fun film, but the way I've understood is the character is too layered.
hmm,
Like he's a different kind of hero that we'll be seeing.
hmm.
And I was just saying in the other interview also that this nice guy is no more a compliment in the world,
Oh, okay.
right? That largely people use nice guy as a taunt.
Hmm.
Yeah, he's a nice guy यार, छोड़ दो उसको, मतलब
हाँ,
क्या?
too सीधा.
हाँ, तू ये बहुत सीधा है, सीधा साधा is not a गाली actually.
Hmm,
It's a virtue. I guess it's a
hmm,
quality
hmm,
that should be celebrated.
hmm.
So those things that were very interesting for this character, and
Hmm.
I guess that is it.
I know
Yeah,
Veer
so
is
you also.
the character of Veer is very non-aggressive, aggressive cover vis-a-vis what Yami's character is very in your face, loud, and ready to that action, gun उठा लेती है जो भी होता है. So to envision Veer, how what was the process like for Pratik, and what was Rishabh's brief to you?
So my process was, I mean, that were very simple. That I have seen a lot of such characters in my life,
Mm-hmm.
lot of such people. In fact, I have not seen a typical hero that we see in films in my real life. कि
Mm-hmm.
जो कहीं पर भी आके कहीं से भी कूद के किसी की भी जान कभी भी बचा लेगा,
हाँ,
जिसे कभी कुछ लगेगा ही नहीं, जिसे कभी किसी चीज से डर भी नहीं लगेगा,
हाँ, हाँ.
मतलब 12-15 लोगों को तो ऐसे ही उठा के पटक देगा, वैसा कोई आई हैव नेवर सीन अ पर्सन लाइक दैट इन माय रियल लाइफ.
Mm-hmm.
These are real life people that we see every day.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
It's not that they are very meek or they don't have courage, they are courageous enough. But
Mm-hmm.
what in real life what we do is that we become courageous at a correct time, not every time that we are ready to fight.
Mm-hmm.
And when I'm saying fight, it's not only physical fight. You just don't want to get into argument every second time.
Mm-hmm.
So Veer is a guy who wants to avoid friction as far as possible.
And how much do you relate to the character of Veer? Then I'll come to Rishabh. How do you relate to the character of Veer?
I guess this particular aspect that I don't want to have frictions almost every time. I want
Mhm.
to avoid frictions.
Okay,
So
okay.
yeah, that is something that I absolutely relate to.
But has it been any time when you lost your cool? जो एंड में होता है इसमें कभी ऐसा हुआ है इन रियल लाइफ?
हाँ हाँ, बहुत
लॉस्ट
बार
योर
हुआ है. यहाँ बहुत
हाँ.
बार हुआ है, सभी हुआ है. हाँ मतलब
लकीली मेरे सामने नहीं हुआ है, सो आई एम वेरी.
और ऋषभ व्हाट मतलब हाउ डिड यू विजुअलाइज प्रतीक एज वीर? क्या देखा प्रतीक में कि थॉट दिस इज माय वीर?
So, I had seen a film of Pratik's way back called Beyar, a Gujarati film.
या या ओके.
And it was like it's a super hit, seminal work in Gujarati film, a cult film. And I was fortunate enough to be called for the screening.
Hmm.
And I remember watching the film, and first, of course, the material was so lovely and it was so much fun. It was such a breath of fresh air because
Hmm.
I'm not really well acquainted with Gujarati cinema. So एक तो मेरे लिए वो revelation हुआ, और
Hmm.
साथ में I loved Pratik and I loved Divyang. They were the two protagonists of the film, and
Hmm.
I remember Pratik from back then.
Hmm.
And तो मतलब honestly मतलब the all of India got to know Pratik after Scam, but I have been acquainted with him much longer, you know. तो मेरा हमेशा हमेशा चाह थी कि I will do something with Pratik. We also have a very dear common friend called Kavin Dave. तो Pratik
Hmm.
and I have always I think
Is it network issue?
बात मेरे कान में प्रतीक का नाम आते रहता था, प्रतीक का नाम जाते रहता था. It,
Rishabh, there's
Hello.
network
No, no,
issue.
are we back?
Yeah,
No, no, okay.
you
Yeah,
froze. I could hear the
I'm
audio,
back
not
now.
the video.
Okay, I'm back now though.
Yeah.
Yeah, sorry. So
You.
yeah, so
Hmm.
so it was just like when I was talking, when we
We
were
lost you again,
talking
Rishabh.
about
Rishabh, you
the
froze.
casting of the film,
No, no, no.
Pratik Gandhi's name was the first name, but my network is absolutely full. I don't know why this is happening. Let me turn off video and can you hear me now clearly?
Yeah, I can hear you, but audio तो clear है, video ही गायब हो जाता है, froze और you freeze almost every 2 minutes you're freezing.
I don't know why this is happening because my network is actually full. I think maybe there's some instability in the network. So can I just continue with the
Yeah,
sound?
please, please, please.
Yeah. Yeah. So I'm saying that Pratik
वीडियो
Gandhi's name is.
वीडियो चाहिए, वीडियो नहीं मिलेगा.
वीडियो चाहिए ऋषभ सर,
Sorry,
वीडियो
sorry.
चाहिए, ऐसा नहीं
आगे
होता.
वापस आगे आगे सर.
हाँ, बचा के रखो अभी. हाँ.
हाँ जी. हाँ जी. नहीं तो Pratik's name was the first name that came up for Veer. The first name that came
हम्म.
up after Yami casting, and
हम्म.
next thing Pratik Gandhi was said yes to the film. So for us, it was really exciting. There was no doubt about his acting abilities that the whole world had already seen. I mean, I had seen 10 years ago. The world saw in Scam,
हम्म.
and or rather, I would say the world. I would say uh, on a pan India level,
Right.
प्रतीक गांधी burst on the scene क्या. बट उसके पहले तो मतलब वो मेरे को बोला गया था कि प्रतीक गांधी इज द शाहरुख खान और गुजराती सिनेमा.
अरे यार.
अरे
मुझे
अरे
तो
अरे
ये
अरे.
मुझे तो ये बोल के इंट्रोड्यूस किया गया था उनसे.
सुपर.
हाँ जी.
प्रतीक.
अरे.
then and Pratik का reaction when you
हाँ
offered the
तो
role to
हाँ हाँ मैम, क्या?
continue.
या कंटिन्यू कंटिन्यू सर.
I should continue. नहीं तो भाई मतलब Pratik came. I remember he came home to meet me after reading the script,
हाँ.
and he had some questions, he had some doubts, he had some insecurities, and I think he just wanted to talk it out with me.
हाँ.
कि भैया Rishabh, I'm seeing a few things in a certain way. I just wanted to see if our visions are aligned,
हाँ.
and I think pretty much from the first time that we met, we became friends. So after that, ये पूरी फिल्म मैं हमेशा बोलता हूँ ये बहुत भाईचारे में बनाई है हमने. Like Pratik Gandhi has been my friend, has been my actor, has been my co-director, and everything along the way.
Pratik, how do you react to whatever Rishabh has said? He said Shah Rukh Khan of Gujarat. Then he said that Bhaichara, insecurity. How do you react to whatever Rishabh has pointed out?
I,
I
I
think
think
Rishabh is
I
too
work for
kind.
Pratik Gandhi's PR team. मेरे को ऐसा लग
And Rishabh is too
रहा
kind.
है.
He's too kind. And I mean, as a director, so my first worry only, I read the script, I liked the script, I said, but because it is comedy, I always feel that if it's comedy, it is even more important to align the approach and the tone of the film completely, right from start to finish.
Hmm.
Because if he sees it a little higher, and if I'm not seeing it a little higher, then my whole approach towards the character has to change.
Hmm.
So as he said, we have a common friend, Kavin. Kavin had worked with him in Cash also, and in Rishta.com, that which is Rishabh's first ever series also.
Hmm.
So I spoke to Kavin that how is he as a person? I mean, collaboration mein kaise hai, or how do I approach? Because I have certain questions to ask,
Hmm.
and I don't want to offend. Meeting him for the first time, and just I don't want to offend him. So he said, no, he's absolutely cool. Just go and meet. I met him and I discussed that. How are you seeing the film?
हम्म,
बिकॉज इसमें ऐसा है ना कि बहुत सारे सीन मैं अलग सुर पे भी कर सकता हूँ,
हम्म, हम्म,
और अगर करना है तो पूरी फिल्म उस सुर में चलेगी.
हम्म, हम्म,
But then we have to be okay with that.
हम्म, हम्म,
So generally the way I do, I went with couple of options in mind, and
हम्म,
I started discussing with him, and we read couple of scenes.
हम्म, हम्म,
But he came across as absolutely, collaborative and
हम्म,
okay and very
हम्म,
chill guy. So
हम्म.
that gave me a lot of comfort. Okay, now then it's going to be fun.
I know, but Pratik, people know you more for drama and comedy. Which is difficult, drama or comedy, or what is your space now? Because you have tried a Madgaon tell me about that. How do you? Because drama तो सबको पता है, comedy एक ऐसा space है, लोग बोलते हैं difficult, ज्यादा difficult. How was it for you? And ये subject तो मतलब you
Yeah,
have
yeah,
to
man.
put the stage,
Comedy is
yeah,
very difficult because
yeah.
yeah, yeah, you're right. Actually, comedy is the most difficult genre. I feel. I enjoy it. I enjoy it too much.
Mm,
And making the same joke land multiple times
yeah.
is a different task. It needs different prep. It needs different. वो प्रेप ऐसा है कि वो आप एक रात में आप स्क्रिप्ट के साथ बैठ के नहीं कर सकते शायद.
Mm, mm,
Over the years, if you have prepared yourself, if you have
mm,
constantly at it,
mm,
then I guess it comes. At the same time, it has to have that freshness to it.
mm, mm, mm,
और कॉमेडी में जितना एफर्ट कम दिखता है ना उतना ज्यादा मजा आता
mm,
है.
mm,
Because if you see any actor, putting a lot of effort
mm,
to create humor,
mm.
it doesn't land well.
Hmm, hmm. And you were two actors, Yami and you, two actors who are known for doing a lot of drama series, drama works that revolve around drama only, to come together completely out of your comfort zone. How was it with Yami? Because तो it because तुम लोग डिफरेंट वर्ल्ड के आके दोनों आके इस तरीके के सिनेमा में आए हो. Tell me about working with Yami and this group of Yami I had not seen before.
Oh, it's too good.
Both of you all are frozen for me.
Oh, okay. I don't know why this is happening.
My network is full and
So
I
I
have.
had seen a
Huh.
little of. Hello, Rishabh. Rishabh
Yes,
is there.
I'm here very much.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah.
Pratik is
So
very.
I mean, we have seen a little bit of, you know, uh, am I audible? Is it okay?
You're audible, but I can see you. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. I'm saying that we have seen this avatar of Yami
Hmm.
a little bit in Bala.
Yeah.
When I
थोड़ा
watched
सा.
Bala, I saw that flair of humor and the
हाँ,
comedy and all.
हाँ,
But I never knew that I'm uh, getting to work with her soon.
हाँ,
Yami is also absolutely collaborative. Uh,
हाँ,
we jammed a lot about each and every scene before
हाँ,
we shot.
हाँ,
How we can do it this way also, we can do it this way also, even minutest of the reactions also.
हाँ,
And I guess she is that way too prepared
हाँ. Okay.
and very experienced actor.
हाँ,
She's very experienced actor,
हाँ,
so which has translated well for the screen.
हाँ, हाँ.
Rest, I guess the
Yami
director
is
is a
Yami is
better
someone
person
who
to elaborate.
right. So in fact, I was going to weigh in about Yami, and I think that Yami is someone who is constantly studying her character. She's constantly thinking about it. Whenever we would come on set and discuss a scene. She would have like two or three ways in which she wants to play it, and the way she's imagined it, the way she's wants to approach it. So in that sense, it was always, it was so it kind of energizes you also as a director that a person is working so hard and is trying to internalize the character. And particularly in this case, Yami is diametrically opposite to the character she's playing. She's not like this at all. She's not such a flamboyant person. She's actually a fairly, I would say, reserved and reticent person. But his character, man, like she had to go all out, be belligerent, just beat people up, pick up guns, fire guns, throw bottles at people. And I think for her also, that was one of the draws to play this role. That
Hmm,
she's getting to do something that is so polar opposite to her natural personality.
hmm, hmm,
And one thing that I found extremely gratifying as a director working with both Yami and Pratik, and I've said this to them repeatedly, they were the best cheerleaders for each other.
ओके।
कि दे यूज्ड टू, मतलब जो भी, मतलब मैं अपना दूसरा काम कर रहा हूँ, मैं शॉर्ट सेटअप कर रहा हूँ, इन दोनों, ये दोनों कुछ खुसफुस खुसफुस कर रहे हैं आपस में, प्रतीक और यामी, एंड दे डिस्कसिंग द सीन कि अभी क्या करेंगे। एंड व्हाट आई फाउंड मोस्ट एडमिरेबल वाज कि कभी कभी जब हम स्क्रीन एक सीन लिखते हैं, लेकिन जब उसको हम परफॉर्म करने जाते हैं तो थोड़ी लाइंस शिफ्ट होती हैं, कि यार ये लाइन शायद आप बोल दीजिए, वो लाइन शायद, मे बी आई शुड नॉट से दिस लाइन, यू शुड से दिस लाइन.
हम्म।
So what I found really admirable about both of them was they treated the scene as, how do we give the best version of this scene to the audience? Let me not get the best line. Let me not get the best comedy punch. तो कई बार यामी बोल देती थी, प्रतीक, actually you should take this line. Even though it's a funnier line that she could have just selfishly taken as an actor, she would say, no, Pratik, if you say this, it will be funnier. So that collaboration amongst all of us was the best part about making Dhoom Dham for me.
No, Bombay by Night is something that I observed in the film, which is, tell me about that experience shooting regularly at night
That
and
part of Dhoom
shooting.
Dham was the worst part of making Dhoom.
Tell me about that, because shooting at night in Mumbai and Raat ka scenes. Tell me about that. Tell me about. I know.
See, I'll tell you what, we got to explore beautiful parts of Bombay and at night. So we had to obviously, art direct them and light them a certain way. So that challenge was excellent. But I'll tell you one thing, like shooting 45 nights is not
Yeah.
fun for anyone. Means your entire body clock goes for a toss. I keep saying we were in a state of constant jet lag over a 3 month period. Our lives were hell. And both Yami and, मैं फिर भी, I think I normally sleep around 2 o'clock, 2:30 in the morning. Both Yami and Pratik are early risers.
Mm-hmm.
तो उनके लिए तो this must have been the greatest challenge.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
But
I
yeah,
remember
we
after
did.
5, 7 nights, I
Yeah.
asked one of the ADs के और कितने nights है यार? मतलब when are we having a turnaround? And that person just froze, and then he said, कि, "Sir, the whole film is about one night." Okay. and, then, and then I realized, yo, what have I signed up for?
वन नाइट की बातें करें तो कौन सा एक फिल्म याद आता है प्रतीक? एक वन नाइट की फिल्म जो तुम्हारी देखी हुई है, फिल्म जो वन नाइट की बनी है, प्रतीक या ऋषभ दोनों भी, एंड यू कैन टॉक अबाउट दैट पर्टिकुलर फिल्म।
I guess there are a lot of such films that we've seen. एक रात
हैव
की
स्टेड विद यू।
uh, last was this Abhay Deol's film. एक
और
40 की
चालीस
लास्ट.
की लोकल।
एक
हाँ,
40 की
एक
लास्ट
40 की लास्ट.
लोकल, फिर वो
एक
इस
40
रात
की
की सुबह
लास्ट.
नहीं, एक और फिल्म थी
इस
ऐसी,
रात की सुबह नहीं was another one.
you know.
Then Raincoat.
या
No, I haven't seen that.
बट
I loved that film.
बट शूटिंग लॉजिस्टिकल इश्यूज था क्या तुम लोग को? बिकॉज शूटिंग इन बॉम्बे नाइट का शूट, प्रतीक यू टेल मी अबाउट दैट इश्यूज था। ऋषभ।
लॉजिस्टिकल इश्यूज तो मतलब हाँ थे, कई कई जगह पर एक दो बार ऐसा भी हुआ था that we got that location and then we went there looking at the whole setup. People said that no, no, it's not allowed to shoot here at night, we are getting disturbed. And we actually had to wrap up halfway and
फिर
we came back.
एक जगह तो धरना हो गई थी, मतलब वो पूरी
हाँ.
छः छः आठ बिल्डिंग के लोग वहां जमा हो गए थे रोड पे हमारी शूटिंग रुकवाने के लिए। और हम वहां सबके पास जा रहे हैं, सर आपके मनोरंजन के लिए बना रहे हैं पिक्चर, प्लीज बनाने दीजिए। पर वहां मतलब लोग जाकर, सो वी वर शूटिंग, लोग जाकर लेट गए वहां और कहा कि नहीं, आप यहाँ शूटिंग नहीं कर सकते।
विच पार्ट ऑफ बॉम्बे वाज दिस?
दिस वॉज इन न्यू बॉम्बे।
न्यू
एंड
बॉम्बे.
but like I remember there is a great director called Danny Boyle, and I had the good fortune of meeting him, and he told me once, Rishabh, when we make films, we are like an invading army. You know, we come, we show no respect for other people's space and peace, and we just, road roll over trying to make our film, trying to make our art. But ultimately, that locality belongs to its residents. अभी हम रात भर काम कर रहे हैं भाई, उन लोगों को सवेरे उठ के काम पे जाना है, वो क्यों हमें सहे? तो हमने बहुत हाथ जोड़े, बहुत हाथ जोड़े, फिर फाइनली हमने रियलाइज किया नहीं, ये लोग नहीं मानने वाले हैं। तो हमने लिटरली लास्ट मोमेंट, और बहुत आई वुड से, मतलब लाखों करोड़ों खर्च हुए थे इस एक रात की शूटिंग के लिए, और हमको लास्ट मिनट कुछ सोल्यूशन निकालना पड़ा था। बट
या.
again, see, we make films for the audiences, and audiences are people, and we have to respect people's space and their time.
और काश हम लोग भी ये कर सकते हैं यार, जब ये सारे लेन्स खोद दिए इन लोगों ने, हम भी लेट जाते और बोलते कि नहीं खोद।
सच में यार, सच में। अच्छा प्रतीक, people are talking about that one scene, one act of yours. People are talking about. Tell me about that act. ऋषभ, क्या करवाया तुमने प्रतीक से?
कपड़े उतरवा दिए भाई, और क्या चाहिए आपको?
प्रतीक बताओ। That's last, second last question because I'm already getting a this key wrap up. Just
Yeah.
one or two more questions. Pratik, tell me about that
So it's the
particular.
first ever item song of my life. And I get to do something that I had never ever done, not even on stage. तो मतलब पूरा ही अलग.
देखिए, आप मानेंगे, we have defied a bunch of gender stereotypes, right? We have a girl who picks up a gun and fires, doesn't think, she has no sense of apology, she's impulsive, she's out there. We have a guy who's very happy taking a back seat. He doesn't feel that machismo lies in being a hero, you know. And then we have an item number where the guy is doing the item number, not a girl. So this much I would really want you to applaud us for.
Pratik, tell me about the act.
The act is it's a brilliant act to do. Matlab, it's so much fun. It's so much fun because the choreographer also, Vijay Ganguly, he came. We discussed something, we rehearsed something, and then he said that just go and have fun. So whatever that I've done, most of it just happened. It was a lot of things were impromptu. Like once I was spinning on that pole. I landed, and then I just started putting my leg from one side of the pole to the other side, and everybody, they were all in splits. So what is he doing? And that was exactly I was supposed to do. So most of it was not even rehearsed. We just decided that some kind of moves here, there, to catch the whole space well. But it's too much fun. So initially, after each cut, I was given a bathrobe to cover myself and sit for the next shot. And every time when I was supposed to remove that bathrobe, I felt equally awkward. So after a couple of cuts, I said I don't want to even wear bathrobe. Let me be in my short pants, because वो हर बार का awkwardness तो बहुत ही weird लगा.
Look, one last question for Pratik, and then we wrap up because they are giving me the kind of film that you, how do you choose your film? Because you done a Madgaon Express, Dhoomdham, Phule, Gandhi आने वाला. Tell me, क्या करते हो भाई प्रतीक, बताइए. How does?
See, my idea is to, मुझे तो सारे अलग अलग जॉनर में काम करना है. All different characters that I want to create and be part of different type of storytelling. Want to work with all different directors, actors, because that's the only way I can learn and improve myself. If I keep doing something that people have liked me doing, then it's a different, I guess it's a trap that I'll be putting myself into. So before even as audience, even before the audience put me in one bracket, I want to open another one and create something different for them. That's how I am looking at it, man.
Okay. Cholo. All the best. Thank you, and I had fun watching the movie, and we'll connect in person also. Thank you, Rishabh. Thank you, Pratik. All the best.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye-bye.